Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Thank you for being with us. Question: myth or fact, does makeup clog your pores, Olga? Yes, it can clog pores, but not all cosmetics are to blame, and not always. The skin's biggest enemy is comedogenic ingredients. They clog pores, cause inflammation and acne. Even an expensive cream, so-called great, or a natural oil can damage your skin. If the formula contains even one of these ingredients, check the tables, take notes, study them, and use that knowledge. The image shows a list of comedogenic ingredients you should avoid. Save it and cross-reference it to check the ingredients in your cosmetics before buying. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, where we tell the truth and nothing but the truth.